Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel and my review of this Wowtac H01 headlamp. In the background for eye candy, the knife eye candy, is my LIONSTEEL SR1 folding knife from Italy. It is D2 tool steel. It's a frame lock and it's just, it's just overall a very attractive design. Alright, here's a closer look at the headlamp. It is very compact. It's got crosshatch texturing. It's got a top switch, and it is a lit top switch. You could use it as a little work or area light as well. And it is USB rechargeable. That's the charging port cover there. It's got some ridges to dissipate heat. And here are the stats on the light. So as you can see, it has 5 brightness levels and 1 special mode, which is SOS. The maximum lumens in turbo, 614 lumens. The maximum beam distance, 97 meters. Right, and you can see the run times there as well. Now, the price on this, I think it's around $20. It's pretty low. But for all of July, they're actually offering a 10% discount. Right, so I will include the information on that 10% discount in the text description box. Now, Wowtac is also doing free giveaways on their Facebook. They're giving away a free flashlight every Tuesday. And I think it's free to enter, right? So the information on their free Facebook giveaways will also be in the text description box. Take advantage, it's free stuff. The headlamp comes with an adjustable head strap and this rubber piece to hold it onto the head strap. And it also comes with some spare O-rings, a spare charging port cover, and a USB to micro USB charging cable. And it also comes with a 16340 rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And to get at the battery, just unscrew the body of the light from the head of the light. And this is the battery that it comes with. In order to recharge the battery in the light, just plug it into any USB power source with the cable that it comes with. That is a power bank. So when this is recharging, that will glow red. And when it is fully charged, that will glow blue. Basic operation of the light. To turn it on, press the top switch. To turn it off, press the top switch. Once it is on, if you press and hold, it will cycle right through low, medium, and high. Double tap to shortcut to turbo. Alright, warning, we're going to flash the SOS. A triple tap is the shortcut to the SOS mode. Alright, so it's flashing SOS in Morse code. Now, if it is off and you press and hold, you will get to the Firefly, which is a very low mode. Don't worry, it's very low. There you go. Alright YouTube, at this time I'm going to roll in some testing and demonstration footage from outside showing this light. Alright, now, when I demo this, I'm going to be holding it in my hand because I'm going to do most of it in turbo mode. Here's the footage, and then after that we'll be back for final thoughts and conclusions about this headlamp. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out here on the testing board with this Wowtac headlamp. Alright, let's cycle through the brightness levels. This is the low mode. And this is the turbo. Wow, that's pretty bright. Let me show you the Firefly mode, which is the lowest mode. Alright, that's the Firefly mode. I don't know if you can see it on the board, but there it is. And let me show you the lit top switch. See the blue? That's nice. Nice top switch there. Alright, let's do the SOS mode. So warning, there's going to be some flashing lights. And that is the SOS. Let's go back to turbo. And I don't know if you can hear, but it is raining slightly. But that's not going to deter us here. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out on the road with no street lights with this headlamp. Let's go turbo. See what we can see. Wow. It's pretty good at lighting things up. Alright, here's a top view of the beam shot on the road with this headlamp. That's pretty nice. Let's go check out the creek. I can hear the frogs already. Alright YouTube, here we are at Frog Creek with this Wowtac headlamp. Let's go turbo. Wow, pretty bright. It's not meant to be a particularly long-range light, but still, does pretty well down the creek. Alright, so there you go, the Wowtac headlamp lighting up Frog Creek. Okay YouTube, I got one more place to show you. We're going to light up a trail because I think that's one of the most likely uses for a headlamp, especially if you're thinking like for a bug out bag or just doing some night hiking. Alright, let's go turbo. Alright, so this is as bright as it gets, and we're by the lake. I think you can probably hear some frogs. The lake is right there. That's new. Huh, that's interesting. That's new. That wasn't here last time I was here. But there's a lot of turtles in this lake. Definitely. Alright, let's move on to this trail. Wow, they've really cleaned this up. Yeah, there's a lot of geese and things that use this trail. And there's usually a lot of geese droppings, but they really cleaned this up. Alright, let's go a little farther down. Okay. Oh, I think I see a Sasquatch over there. Or is that a leaf? No, just kidding. Old joke, old joke. And yeah, I'm gonna change my name to Travis and say that aliens abducted me. Just go right up into the sky now. Yeah, it's pretty freaky out here. It's pretty creepy. I don't know. Okay, YouTube, I spotted something. Check this out. Check it out. Alright, well, we got a little critter. I found a little critter here. It's just chilling. Oh, whoa. It's talking. It's trying to attract another frog, maybe? Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's amazing the stuff you find. I'm gonna turn this down because I don't even need that much light. There we go. You like that better, little buddy? This frog doesn't care. I don't think it really notices. Wow. You hear that? Yeah, they're out tonight. Love that lit top switch. This is going to be the thumbnail for this video, perhaps. Alright, well I hope you're enjoying this little nature program that this flashlight review turned into. Alright, let's go head home and wrap this up. And we are back. I hope you enjoyed that footage. So what are my final thoughts on this Wowtac? Well, the good parts about it are the price, extremely affordable. The overall usefulness of headlamps, they allow you to basically have hands-free lighting, especially useful if your car breaks down and you need both hands, you're fixing an engine or something. But they're equally useful in stuff like nighttime hiking, whether you intended to be out there that late or you just ended up there that late. It's good to have a light and light your path, and this is more than able to light up, 25 feet in front of you, no problem, right? So, oh, and the best part, it is very compact. This is for people who don't want something big and heavy on their head, right? Which is really most people. Right? As far as the drawbacks, the only real drawback is that, like all of these type of lights, in turbo mode it does get pretty hot. So I never recommend the turbo mode if you're actually wearing it on your head. You're most often not even going to need the turbo mode, right? It's just good. It's good that it's there, but you're going to do most of your business in the medium or the high or medium or low for reading. But I would recommend, if you're using this as like a bug out light or like, you know, camping or something, survival kit, I would recommend carrying some extra batteries, right? Maybe 2 extra batteries. But that's always the thing with headlamps. Like, do you want like a larger headlamp like this Wowtac, which is heavier, you know, it's a heavier thing on your head, right? But the battery on this lasts a lot longer. Or do you want to carry a small light but then have to carry extra batteries, so you're kind of carrying kind of the same bulk, right? Just, but not as much on your head. So, you know, that's up to you to decide, but I'll definitely include links to this and to all the Wowtacs, and you can decide, you know, which size of headlamp is for you. Yeah, I do recommend this if you're looking for a headlamp in this ultra compact size. All right, so check out the links, and remember, don't forget that 10% off the price throughout all of July. All right, and also check out their free weekly giveaways. In the text description box will be all the info. I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Flashlights. I'm out.